Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm just going to be doing like how to revive your curls on your wigs. So I have like an old, not really matted, but then it's dry and then the curls are kind of like loose. So I just grab my water and then I just spray it. Well, I want to use the word spritz, so I just spritz some water on my hair and you just see that the curls instantly like sort of come back. And basically that's all you need, water and the conditioner, and then that's it. So that's my Cantu conditioner. If I can, you can too. Oh my gosh, I just wanted to use that statement, but yeah. So I just use water and a little bit of conditioner, and I use Cantu, and I just put that all through the hair, and that is it. And I just tried laying my edges, guys. I tried laying my edges, but anyway. So yeah, basically that is it. And then I just brushed it slightly, and that was it. This is like a really short video. So this is the edge control that I am using. It's from Fashion Killer. So I think it's called Fashion Killer Edge Control or something. I'm not really a fan of edge control and laying your edges and all that, but then someone recommended this to me and I decided to try it. And it's not flaky, it doesn't turn white on my edges or whatever, but then I don't have time to lay my edges, okay? So I don't really use it, but then for the sake of the video, well, I mean, this summer I've been wearing wigs. So I've been trying to lay my edges a little bit. So this is what I have been using. Also, if you guys can notice, like there's this dot on my forehead. It was mosquito bite, guys. Mosquito bite. But anyway, yeah. So I tried. Don't judge me on my edge laying skills. I tried doing something on my edges, and also I just realized I should have hold the wig a little bit in front, but then it's all good. So basically that is all I did. I also really need to give my wig maker a shout out, my friend made this wig. She's called Queena. I'll put her name on the screen and in the description box. I saw her making this on her Snapchat, and then I just hopped on the wig and she sent it to me. So yeah, I don't know if she makes wigs to sell or something, but then I'll put her details in the description box. You guys can ask her if you need any wig to be made or something. She can make it for you. This wig is really nice. She bought the hair and everything. I think she got the hair from AliExpress or something. But yeah, thank you so much, Queena. This hair is like, let me just use the word bomb. I don't know what is wrong with me, man, but yeah. Also, if you guys haven't already subscribed, please do well to subscribe, like this video, comment, please share this video, and yeah, that'll be all for today.